Tutuni, and today we are going to be making mango popsicles. So the ingredients are 3 mangoes, a knife, a pack of ice pop makers, and coconut is optional. Then today we're going to be using a blender. And so let's get started. So the first step is to peel and cut the mangoes into small cubes and then put it into a bowl. So here are the mangoes cut, and the second step is to grab a cup of water and your mango and grab the blender. And you can pour the coconut because it's optional. So pour it in here, and you can use your hand. And you can put that aside. Then pour the water. And then pour the coconut if you want to. And put all the things and the third step is to get the blender and open the lid and get whichever one you want to. And you put the lid right there and start pouring. And we'll do it close to the top, but don't let it overflow. Then do it for all of them. And then and the fourth step is to put the lids on each one and make sure it's tight, but not too tight to break it. And then you put it in the freezer 3 to 4 hours or until the popsicles are frozen. So we've put our popsicles in the freezer for 3.5 hours. The fifth step is to flip over the popsicles and put it under warm water just as long as you think they're not too frozen, because you need to take them out because it will be hard to take them out if they're too frozen. So turn on the hot water. The sixth step is to take the popsicles out. Here's one. Delicious! It's nice to enjoy these treats on a hot summer day.